Hey everyone, welcome to Living It Country. I'm Holly, and in today's video, I am sharing our latest DIY project, and I'm going to be taking you guys along the journey, sharing with you guys some tips, tricks, and products that we used that was helpful for our DIY project. We are currently in our tiny home that we're building for my mom here on our property, and we wanted to give this space a cozy and really charming look, but of course on a budget. And so Beadboard was right up our alley. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Here is our tiny home nearly a year ago. These walls have slowly come together, bringing this house into a home, and I am so thrilled to be sharing in today's video how we are adding character and warmth to this space to make a small space functional, but also beautiful and full of charm too. With small exterior changes, thin brick, as well as things like fine finishing trim and beautiful woodwork inside. This home is just so cozy, warm, and inviting, and I invite you inside to take a peek of today's project. We are walking into today's video with a blank slate wall with just base trim. Here is a beautiful before shot on this gorgeous day, and here it begins. I currently have this piece cut down to a little less than 4 feet, but what we went with is 4 by 8 sheets of this beadboard. It's way more cost effective to do it this way if you're gonna go up 4 feet from the wall, and with taking trim, base trim into consideration, it's actually gonna end up being a little taller than 4 feet. So when you cut it in half, of course, you're gonna get 2 4-feet pieces. If you do buy this at Home Depot like we did, you can actually get your Home Depot employees to cut up to 2 pieces for free. At least that's what they've done at our local Home Depot. We haven't done that for a while though, since we have all of the tools that we need right here. Now that we've made sure everything is level, I highly suggest and just want to give a friendly reminder to make sure you put in your base trim prior to installing the beadboard. It will set right on top of it. It makes it so much easier, and also make sure if it's going to be going around windows that you install your window trim prior to this as well. We have this handy tool by Milwaukee here, which has come in handy for so many projects, and I will link that down in our YouTube shopping, and it will pop up right on the screen. For the base trim, we used 1 by 6, and then for the finishing trim on the top, we used 1 by 4 to give you guys some context. So I've been working on filling in all these nail holes. I wanted to share with you guys what we are doing on this top piece of trim right here. So I saw an idea of this on Instagram and I thought it was really, really cute. We're gonna do just on this section, we're gonna do pigs. And then that way my mom has an area to hang jackets, decorations, and just a built-in cute idea. We're also going to be adding, well, the beadboard's gonna go around this whole area, but we're gonna be adding the pegs right here as well. I just thought that that would look really cute walking in and just be really darling. Here's the brand of wood filler I used, and throughout the day I filled in all of those nail holes, and then my husband ended up sanding it later that day when I took my little girl to dance class. We also used pieces to finish the beadboard project around the trim. It looks just like this. This is just a cut up extra piece. So we framed it all out. It wasn't something we'd ever seen before, but my husband thought it kind of gave a fine finish, and it was an affordable way to do so. I also found these really cool pegs that just screw right in to your wall, and those are coming from Amazon, and I got 10 of them for 10 bucks. So I'm excited for those to come in tomorrow, and we'll see if they're any good. My husband came up with an idea to add this fine finish wood piece to the beadboard, which ultimately ended up taking him 2 days to install this. And so looking back, we probably wouldn't have done that, but it sure looks amazing. We're gonna take a quick break from this beautiful DIY project to share with you guys today's video sponsor, Sitterwell. This is a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, and I absolutely am so excited to share this with you guys, and we're gonna put it to the test.
Fire, incendie. Carbon monoxide. Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
And we're gonna silence it. There we go. I'm actually gonna be installing this right above the door area right here. This is where the laundry area will go. We're gonna have a stackable washer and dryer in there. I thought it'd be the perfect spot since we have our mini split right behind you guys right there, and we don't want too many things in one area, and that way it can pick up anything. I actually have 2 of these. So one of these will be in our party barn, with the other one being in our tiny home. They also come all the way up into a 4-pack of these, and they work as an ecosystem, which is really neat. I am so happy that this is a project that I can do on my own, and it also has a 10-year built-in battery, which is such a bonus. So thrilled that I can keep my mom feeling safe and sound in her new tiny home. This alarm has a high precision detection with an accuracy of 99.96%. It is so important for our families to keep safe, and one of my biggest worries is sometimes at night. And so making sure my family is safe and sound is something that is so important to me, and I hope that this can bring awareness to you. And maybe if you're in the market for a new product that you can install simply yourself, this is one that I would highly recommend. Thank you so much to Sitterwell for sponsoring today's video. The knobs just arrived. It is very late at night right now, but I wanted to show you guys how cute it looks out here with our new lights installed. And I'm gonna take you to the beadboard wall. On some lights in here. And I'm really praying that you cannot see me in the reflection, because I am currently in my Christmas pajamas. Here is that final look. We've got 1x4, 1x6, all that fine trim work that Jason did around everything. It's gorgeous. All around this room. The pegs got here. This is what they look like. And we are gonna screw them into this little wall. We're not gonna put them obviously above here. And our goal was to get them installed, but Jason made a super great point, which is to wait after painting and then hand paint these. We were also going to do them right here, but this is gonna be a tight spot, and so we decided to not do it there, which is kind of a bummer, and there's no other walls that we would like to do that on. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Maybe it gave you a new idea or inspiration for your own home. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. And if you guys are interested in following us along on our tiny home journey, I will leave that playlist down below. We just recently did a DIY wall in my mom's master bedroom, and that is a really fun one too. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.